gonna take the bus to downtown. Bus tour this morning, you know. We're going downtown. Grape, that's the grape tree there. Wow. Number 3, yeah, number 3. Okay. This is good morning.
Morning.
Yes.
Morning.
Well, we get a whole bus for ourselves.
Yes, right.
Taking,
The bus tour, eh?
yeah, taking the local bus downtown.
Yes, taking our local bus downtown now, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, this is the local bus tour.
Okay.
And look outside. Wow. I really love the buildings in here, you know?
Yeah, the building is nice.
They got real nice building, man. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
I just love the way, you know, I love the way they frame the buildings.
Yeah.
The poster signs as well, I really love that, you know? That's so nice as well, yeah?
AC's on now.
Yeah, put the AC on there.
Yeah. driver as they come in on the bus.
Oh, that would be good.
Yes.
As long as you pay before you get off, then alright.
Oh, okay. Oh, or when you reach the stop, you can pay?
Anytime you can go up now and pay if you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's run, you know? As long as you pay before you get off.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's what, 20?
25.
Oh, it's right there.
Yeah.
25.
And if
25.
And if you use the ones on the beachfront, they're 30.
Oh, the one on the beach front is 30. Okay.
But they show it there.
Okay.
Oh, that's really
Okay.
the price.
Do you know how to get to the old town?
This will take you straight. Last stop.
Yes.
When they say Old Town, is that near the bazaar? The Old Town is like the marina near that place.
I don't know.
They call it the Old Town, but it doesn't look very old. But is it your first day?
Yes, first time here.
So you're gonna stop. You're gonna get off at the last stop.
Yeah.
Turn to the right where you see the McDonald's.
Yes.
And then just ask someone there because you walk by the marina, the beach is there. It's all in that area there as you get off the bus.
Okay then.
But you come out when it's too hot because it's over 100 degrees at the moment.
Yeah, it's hot out here.
You should do it in the evening.
Yes.
Otherwise you just sweat like.
It's hot. It's very hot here.
Yeah, it's very hot, isn't it?
It's 41 now and it's 11 o'clock.
Okay. Yeah.
41 degrees.
Yeah, it showed it on there, yeah.
Wow.
You see the time up there, yeah. Yes. So this meant to be the number 3 bus, eh?
Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
they're at the front, yeah, so the numbers are in
Yeah.
front. Okay. So that's the bus we should have got yesterday. Got the wrong number yesterday.
What did you get, number 2?
Ishmael?
Yeah, which it's like the beach, it's another part of
Yes.
and it's where the beach and it's a bit quieter that
Okay,
way.
okay.
That's a bit more like Jamaica up that way.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which you want
But there's a bus on the beachfront that says Ishmael.
Oh.
Yeah. It might be a little bit more expensive, but it's not expensive. It's just nice to go there for the day. That bit's more like Ochi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Or you can get the riverboat from the beach, takes you straight there as well.
Really?
You're on the front beachfront.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
We should do that. That's what we need.
Yeah, you should do that.
You know where we sell them boat is, so yeah, so it's the boat tour, yeah.
Yeah.
You
do
go
that
to the
then.
beach, not the marina. But they will show you anyway. There's bits that takes you straight across by the sea.
Okay.
It's not
Nice.
expensive.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, we should do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do that
We done that
yesterday.
yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get all not next one.
Oh, next time. Okay.
Yeah. Just come to the long stop with us. Follow us today. Be our tour
It's
guide.
only a couple more stops after I get off. Anyway.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
don't be that far.
Everyone will get off.
Yeah, it's a long
Yeah,
stop. Yeah, it's the
yeah.
same place where we got off yesterday. Yeah. So it's where we saw the boat, the same place. You know where we see all the boats at?
Yes.
And I tell you, the small boat them is the one we use, but the big ones are the private ones.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
This is the last stop.
Yeah. Okay. Have a nice.
Oh, yeah,
it's not stop here.
It's a long stop.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a long stop. It's a long stop.
Okay. Yeah, hot turkey. Take your hot up. Oh.
Oh, thanks, man. Oh,
Okay. All right. Thanks very much. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay, so it's this is in number 3.
yeah.
Yeah.
That was